How to change website ownership on Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change website ownership using Squarespace. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to squarespace.com and you need to log into your account. Once you log into your account, then you're going to select the website for which you want to transfer the ownership. So I have selected this website that I recently created. It's a food blog and I want to transfer the ownership. So you don't need to open up your editor. You will just select the website so that you can get right here on these options. We have commerce, marketing, scheduling, profile, and settings. You're going to go to the settings right here. In settings, we have permissions, domain, billing, and advanced. You're going to select permissions. Now it will show you the permissions, invite others, and give them access to your areas relevant to their work. Now you can actually invite contributors and basic authors to your website. And then we have the owner right here, which is me. To transfer the ownership, you can see we can enter an email address right here. You can see it says transfer ownership. I'm going to select this option. And now we will need to log into our Squarespace to just like verify. So I'm going to click on continue. Once you are logged in and Squarespace is, confirmed that it's you who is transferring the ownership, you're going to choose a person. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose a person from your already created contributors, or you can enter their email address. Once you do that, you're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue and click on transfer, the ownership of this website will be changed and you will no longer be the owner, but you can, if you want to add a team member and you want to add them as a contributor, then you can use this option right here. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.